Hi friends, today we are making a 3D paper fish that looks like it could swim off your desk. Take a square sheet, fold, twist, and snip. A little magic with scissors is all it takes. Unfold. And wow, it's already taking shape like real fish scales. Glue the folds one by one, and the body begins to wiggle into place like it's alive. You can use it to decorate your room, surprise a friend, or go on a pretend underwater adventure. Cut out little heart fins and stick them gently like giving your fish arms. Make kale fin and wrap a paper band to keep it strong and neat. Want more style? Add extra fins, go wild with colors and shapes. If you had fun, give us a thumbs up, share your version, and tag us so we can see your awesome fish. Drop a comment with ideas, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun crafts every week. Now, for the eyes, stick them on and give your fish a look full of curiosity. And just like that, your paper fish is ready to swim into your imagination.